So President Emerson Mnangagwa is said to have left the country. Let me just read message Yabaku Geza Revolution. As President Emerson Mnangagwa slipped out of the country in the dead of night. No sirens, no presidential convoy, no official send-off, no airport photographs, no public announcement. Mnangagwa arrived at the airport unannounced in private cars, not his usual convoy with bikers. Airport staff were cleared off as Mnangagwa made his way to a private lounge and straight to hangar and flew off in a private jet. Soon after he left, another private jet loaded with gold flew off in the same direction. Mnangagwa's motorcade was last seen Wednesday afternoon traveling along Harare-Mutoko Highway, the route he frequents visiting his Sangoma. Coincidentally, on Monday, Mnangagwa went to observe the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe's vaults containing the country's gold reserves. The airport staff was gagged from speaking about the Nicodemus exit, which took place just days before the highly controversial Constitutional Amendment No. 3 hearing scheduled for May 2026. Mnangagwa is supposed to attend as respondents. This is a process many Zimbabweans believe could shape the future of constitutional governance, succession politics, and the survival of democracy itself. The nation slept on May 13 and woke up to silence. Where is the president? Why the secrecy? Why abandon normal state protocol at such a critical national moment? Zimbabweans deserve answers at a time when the country is facing economic hardship, political and uncertainty, and mounting constitutional tension. The disappearance of the head of state from the public view without explanation raises serious national questions. Where is the president? Where is the First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa? RBZ Governor John Mushayavanu? Where is our gold? Iri kumeka sense story iyi muchinyatsoinzwawo kuti another jet actually flew with gold. Ndianaona kuti mamine gold. I don't know. Probably escaped, I don't know. But kurikunzi ku family group kwaiswa message yekuti angachita ari kubuda futi. So at this moment, we don't really have much information about this whole thing. As I always say, kuti where there is smoke, there is fire. News adzingangotange kungonzi out of nowhere ka mukuru watiza iye asina kutiza. So I think kuti panogona paine kachokwadi karipo ipapa regai tingoona kuti tichaperera kupi. And after news dzaita broke out, Zvirukunzi has also appointed Elizabeth Gwaunza as Zimbabwe's new Chief Justice, replacing Luke Malava, who is retiring. He has also appointed Paddington Garwe as Deputy Chief Justice, and Elizabeth is making history as Zimbabwe's first female Chief Justice. Pama appointment acho maletters acho ndida kuti munyasoone mega kuti hapana signature, hapana star rake iye ED. Zviri kufamba sei? The president's name is missing, which is unusual. Muri kuona nyaya dzacho tinogona kuti 1+1 appointment iripo but star rake haripo. Mama appointment atinomboona anenge aine the president name but iyi manjeka his name is missing. Why is his name missing? Is it because he's also missing? President is missing and my signatures are missing, and he has appointed people, my Chief Justice, my chichichi. Iwo ari kumbo appointirwe kongo yakadai so kuti vazomukozana vaka very very crucial. Vanenge vachinzika ndove mutemo chaiyo. Panguva yakadai so, do we really need, regai tione, because uyanga achiretire paretire waka, so there was need for replacement zvapo. Anyway Malaba ari kuenda, so there's need for replacement. Ndosaka zvazoiswa Elizabeth, but nyaya yemasignature ndo iri kungotinetsawo isi kuti not zita rake haripo raED. Chichiri kuitika? Maona manje nyaya dzacho kuti dzinogona ngoplazika 1+1 is equals to 2. Iye anotiza kupi negold, ari kuenda kupi negold racho. It's so unusual zviri kutaurikana izvi. Regai tione kuti is there more news that is going to come out panyaya yacho iyoyo, because I can't wait to hear more information kuti atiza here sure. Because kana atiza ka less trouble. Hatichazombonzwe zvekuu zvanga zvida kuitika izvi. Pamwe ndo zvaari kutiza. Atiitika asipo. Ari kutizei, ari kuendepi? Kana pamba pasina motorcade, pasina chichichichi. Because isusu tinozoti pese panongofambika panofana kufamba neuyu. But why is it kuti pane vanhu vawitnessa? Because zvekudedza internet inonzi staff yepa azvishande. Zvekuudza staff yepa uyu kuti vatsimbidzikira kuti aiwa musabude neinformation. Aiwa information yangosvika wose. saka pane anozombobatwa kunzi ndiye aunza information paairport dai vatoita kuti iland somewhere else vazotanga vangozongokonekta vatorana musango because izvi hazvishande zvekunoenda kuairport. Why going through the airport usingade kuti vanhu vazive? Pangotadzikwa dhiri racho ipapo. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts panyaya iyi.